Hey there, in this quick video, I'm going to share with you how you can factory reset the Turtle Beach Stealth Ultra Wireless Xbox controller and what you can do to do it. So from the back of the controller, you're gonna have this under P3 button. Try to locate it if you have it there or just somewhere around here. And then what you need to do is just with a paper clip or with a pin, similar way thing, to give the pinhole reset button gentle press just for a moment. The control may remain dark or powered off. And this is how you're going to reset it. And I hope you have the button because I know that some of you don't have it on your controller. So then power the control back as normal by pressing and holding the control Xbox button for 2 seconds. And it should light up and it's good to go. So then also this is something that you can try. This is something that I read, maybe it's going to help you. So connect the control to USB port on your computer or Xbox through the USB cable, and you can use the USB-C or USB-A cable included for use with your Stealth Ultra Dock for this. And this is something that you can also try to do. That when you're going to plug it up, maybe it's going to charge and then it's going to turn on again. So try both of these things if one of it is going to help you. And thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.